Austin here with Dalinghaus Construction, and today we're checking in on a project in the city of Rancho, Palos, Verdes, California. You'll notice we've got a truck here behind us. We've got the crew working. I believe this is day 3 of their project out here. And if you've seen any of our other content, the homes in this community are being devastated by crazy amounts of land movement, soil movement, landslides, whatever you want to call it. But this is probably the 3rd or 4th home in the city that we're helping save in the last month or two. Yeah, let's take a look at what the crew's got going on. We're installing, I believe, about 16 vertical push piers. These are steel pipes. These are some bigger boys than what we usually install. These are 350, so 3.5 inch diameter versus the regular 2 7/8 diameter. So these are much thicker and carry a much greater load. And so we'll take a look at that installation process. They're about to start installing one now. I believe they're looking for depth somewhere between 20 and 35 feet below the soil surface. Luckily for this homeowner, not the whole entire house is settling. It's not moving down this hillside that it sits on, because we'll show you in a second here, the backyard is on a slope. But it's mainly this front corner. It's a porta potty, but it's mainly the front corner of this house that we're working on. I don't know how much settlement that this house is experienced. I'll take a look at the plans real quick. But we're not getting much lift on this one. We're really focused on stabilizing this home to prevent any future settlement. But we've got Ben out here, we've got other Ben out here, and we've got Matt, Isaac, I don't know what he goes by, Matthew or Isaac, one or the other. But they are installing some straps on 2 massive cracks on their footing, so that when we start installing, we're not lifting up sections of the footing. And we want to keep everything together. So we're both installing straps on these cracks right now, and we'll take a closer look at those real quick. The push pier setup we've got going on. So you saw the cracks on the footings. We'll show you guys some other cracking here. We've got big old cracks up by the front door. We've got quite a bit of separation in the brickwork in the front here. But really not too much craziness going on in this house that we typically see. Usually cracks everywhere, especially with in an area like this. But we'll walk around the back and show you guys how this is all. We'll show you they have a small add-on in the corner where we're going to be stabilizing as well. The back side. Beautiful home, though. Beautiful view. This is the area I was talking about. This was an ADU, this corner here. And if you'll notice, we don't have much of a footing here. So we're gonna have to figure out what to do there. I assume we'll do some angle iron. Maybe we'll need to do a sister footing. You'll notice the gas company has come in and replaced the gas lines with some temporary stuff, with some shut-offs that are automatic in case we see any crazy movement over a short period of time. We've got some gentle cracking on the exterior of the home, but nothing too crazy. So we've got a bunch of other push pier locations. They haven't mounted these brackets yet. That'll come right before they install.
before they get started with the install, they got another couple minutes or two, I believe. I just want to show you guys the craziness that's going on the street. Just the cracking, the settlement. We've got crazy settlement on that retaining wall, that small party line wall. But I mean, this sidewalk is down a good 4 feet where I'm standing right here. Pretty crazy. Nuts. It's crazy the amount of soil movement we're seeing out in this city right now. Just wreaking havoc on this entire city, all the areas, all the different communities.